Alright everybody, welcome back. And this is going to be a flat set. This is actually right across this little lane here from where I just put that dirt hole. I mean, probably not even 10 or 15 yards here. So we've got the pond in the background. It's a good water source. They love coming through here and working on the mice over here in this rock pile. And so this set here is going to mimic an animal peeing, marking their location. You know, trying to say they're here. And letting you guys know that. I guess I'll set that over here with all the rest of it. I'm going to put my trap right here and use this as my backing. And they're going to come in and work this set pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead. I might try the cookie cutter on this one. I think it should work out okay. We'll actually go about right there. This soil's a little more solid than the one over there. This big rock out of the way. Okay. Awesome, that is beautiful. That is why I love that cookie cutter. It's going to make my life a lot easier and a lot quicker whenever I go to remake all these sets. But that just cut the ground out perfect, and now I'm ready to put some peat moss down after I get the night latch set. Alright, now it's set, ready to catch some animals. So I got that. I mean, it is not going anywhere. You can press anywhere and nothing's going to happen. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and drive this into the ground here again. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and pull up on that and set it. Oh man, I can't hardly pull up on that, so that's good. Okay, yeah, I think it is good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and set that down in there. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and sift this stuff. Whoa, be careful there. Don't want that getting on there. We're going to set the slight layer on here. Just enough to cover that peat moss look up. And we don't have to go too crazy with it actually, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these extra grass clippings that I have over here. I'm just going to blend this right back in. It's going to look like nothing was ever here. And that is our goal, is just kind of make it look natural, because you know there's not going to be nothing digging here at the scent post where they're hiking a leg or whatnot, you know. So we've got that set in, and now we'll show you what we do to mark this area so they can work it. Here guys, here I've got some red fox urine, and this comes from our local trap supply, and that's Bats and Dog and Archery. So thank you to them for selling this to me here. And we're just going to spray that all along the backing right here, all over our little post here. And that should be plenty. Maybe some here in front. That should be more than enough to draw them in. And the red fox, it's attractive to everything. It's because if you use coyote urine, then a lot of times you'll scare the not the coyotes, but you'll scare the red fox off. You'll scare the bobcat off. So the red fox urine is very good for all the predators here. And so I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Some people add some more lure in there, but I think I'll just leave it as the red fox urine, and we'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed this flat set, and I hope that I can get something on my game camera on that dirt hole set, so you guys can see it. So thank you.
Alright guys, looky here, we got us another coyote, and this time we caught it in the flat set that I made in the dirt hole that I've been catching a bunch of them on, just right over there. You can't hardly see it, but right over there in that rock pile, just right across this lane here is that flat set. And that sure is a good looking coyote right there. But I thought this set was going cold. I haven't caught anything for, I'd say, probably 2 or 3 weeks off this flat set. I've had to re-bait and lure it just a couple times, but it finally connected, so I can't be more excited. This is awesome. So thank you guys, and we'll get them out of the trap. Alright guys, so I got this coyote taken care of, and on the remake I've got this pile of grass and stuff that they pulled up. I got it sitting right there in the corner. And the trap is just a little ways in front of it, blended back into where you can't even tell it's there. And so now there's so much sitting here, I won't rebait or relure. And hopefully we can get another one to come back in. There's sign all over the place here, so we'll get another one for you guys. Thank you. Alright everybody, welcome back. And I caught another coyote today. This is on the same flat set as I used, and that I caught one on Thanksgiving Day. So another beautiful coyote. So this one I caught by the back foot, so I guess it was circling around working my trap and got caught on the back foot. So it looks like it's held pretty good, and we're gonna go ahead and get it loaded up. So hope you guys enjoy, and hey, we got us another one. That's number 6 on the year, so I'm working towards my goal. We're getting closer, so hopefully I can get there. So thank you guys. So here's a closer look for you guys. Definitely a good back foot catch. It's holding on to it perfect, so we'll get it out of the trap. These MB550s are no joke. I mean, they hold exceptionally well, so I'm very impressed, very happy. So number 6, we'll keep on getting them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell everybody you can. I would really appreciate it, and it helped me to make more videos like this. I really enjoy this. This is my passion. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. And if you use some of these methods to catch something, let me know. Send me some pictures. I'd love to see that. So thank you guys again, and we'll catch you on the next one.